Good morning, everyone. I'm the subject teacher of Business Legislation and Industrial Relation. In this semester, I'll be teaching you through video lectures, Business Law and Industrial Relations. So far as syllabus is concerned, I hope everyone have joined the Google Classroom. And today, in this particular session, I'll be informing you or let you know that what is the syllabus of this particular subject. The screen is visible, I hope. The subject is bifurcated in two sections. First is related to business law and another is industrial law. As you can see over the syllabus, the paper code is 604 and it is bifurcated under the sections like section 1. There is in the Indian Contract Act 1872. So all topics related to Indian Contract Act is mentioned in this particular section. Under Indian Contract Act, you have to go through what is the definition of contract, what is the difference between agreement and contract, what are the types of contract like valid, void and voidable. Then it is the law of agency, contract agency, sale of goods act, condition and warranty, performances of contract, contingent contract. There are many topics related to Indian Contract Act is in this particular unit. I want to let you know that Indian Contract Act 1872 was originally contains Indian Contract Act, Sale of Goods Act and Partnership Act. But further it was being bifurcated under Indian Contract Act 1872. The information, the content related to Indian Contract Act is under this particular Contract Act 1872, then the Sale of Goods Act 1930 and the Partnership Act 1932. So in your syllabus, as I can see and you also can see, that you have to go through Indian Contract Act 1872 and further the Sale of Goods Act 1930. So far as important topics are concerned, the indemnity, guarantee, bailment, place, contract of agency, these all are very much important. Further, you need to know that what is quasi-contract. This is a kind of contract which exists with the act of the party. Then what you can see under the next part of this section 1, negotiable instrument. See, what happens when we go to market for the exchange purpose, we want money. Money is the mode of exchange in the marketplace. But when it comes to instead of money that what you can use, then we are very much familiar with checks. But there are three instruments which we can use instead of money, like promissory note, bill of exchange and check. So under negotiable instrument, what you can see, there are definitions of bills, check, parties of negotiable instrument, what are the negotiable presentment, dishonor, discharges of a negotiable instrument, rules of evidence, estoppel, hundis, bank and customer. These all we have to learn under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Then it comes to section 2. So what we have seen, the business law, the topics under the business law are here mentioned in section 1 and further the industrial relations or the laws related to industrial relation or smooth functioning of industries. There are section 2 and section 3. Under section 2, what you can see, that importance of industrial relation, trade union, what are the structures of trade union, problems of trade union in India, what are the new directions in trade unions, white collar unionism, rural unionism, these all are in section 2. So far as section 3 is concerned, what you can see, the workers' participation in management. Workers' participation in management means that workers must have a say in the decision-making process in an organization, and under which you can see that members of management body, work council, joint management council, collective bargaining, concept of importance, process of bargaining, this all you have to go through. What I'll do when I'll be teaching you industrial relation, in the same, I'll be teaching you Industrial Dispute Act 1947, that what are the causes of dispute and how the dispute can be resolved, like what are the measures to resolve the disputes. So under section 2, Concept and importance. After concept and importance of industrial relation, I'll be covering this section 4, and then further we will go for section 3, like worker participation in management and collective bargaining. So like this, we will be going through the content and the subject matter of the syllabus. Please be prepared, take a notebook whenever you view the videos so that you can learn, and whatever queries you have, you can post it in Google Classroom. So far as work assignments are concerned, I'll be posting to the classroom, and each and everyone is expected to complete the same within the given time span, because these all are important for your internal assessments also. The notes is already being provided to the concern, and further you will be receiving the same. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll be posting the first video lectures related to Indian Contract Act 1872. Thank you.